Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to block a number or contact on your iPhone running on iOS 18. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Messages app on your iPhone. Tap on Conversation with the number you want to block like this. Then tap the contact number or name at the top. And let me go to another option. Let's go on this option and tap on this and click on this red icon called delete and block this conversation. Just tap on the confirmation icon and that's it. Now your contact is blocked. This will block calls, messages and FaceTime from that number. Open the phone app, then go to recent tab on your iPhone, search for phones app on your iPhone and then search for recent tabs. Go to recent tabs on your iPhone. You can scroll down to the last and search these blocked contacts and you will find your blocked contact here. And that's it, you have successfully blocked the number. If this was helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time.